Uh, Ever wondered how to get your hands on the legendary Renegade Raider and Aerial Assault Trooper skins in Fortnite? Uh, as a seasoned player, I'm excited to share that these rare gems from Chapter 1 are back for a limited time. Um, and first released in Season 1, the Aerial Assault Trooper and Renegade Raider skins have been long sought after by players due to their scarcity. But getting them isn't as simple as buying them from the item shop. To acquire the Aerial Assault Trooper, you'll need to earn a total of 1 million XP, which is roughly 13.5 levels in the Battle Pass. Once you've reached this milestone, you can purchase the skin for 1,200 V-Bucks. Plus, you can also buy the Aerial Assault one glider for 500 V-Bucks when you hit 500,000 XP. As for the Renegade Raider, you'll need to earn 1,500,000 XP to add it to your collection. This is equivalent to completing 19 levels in the Battle Pass 10 times. Once you reached this amount, you can buy the skin for 1,200 V-Bucks. And don't forget about the Raider's Revenge pickaxe, which you can get for 1,500 V-Bucks once you've earned 2 million XP using. But act fast, because these skins are only available until January 30th, 2025 at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So start grinding those XP and V-Bucks now to secure your spot as an original player. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and until next time.